Somebody ought to tell him.
Tell him what?
About outboard motors.
Come on.
You really want me to?
You think I'm gonna carry it all down by myself?
Yeah, I'm trying to conserve a little strength. You know, it's gonna be a long weekend, and you know Vicky.
No, I don't know Vicky, but I'm just as glad she's meeting us at the Cape and not riding up with us. She sounds like the #1 kook in Massachusetts.
Because she rides a motorcycle, wears black boots, and has a big white belt with Vicky spelt on it and rhinestones?
I still don't know why you didn't let Charlotte fix you up with one of her friends.
Oh, not another Radcliffe girl with those black stockings to here. We'll talk about it Monday when the returns are in.
Come on, you tanker. Get out of the car.
The shirt.
Isn't that my jacket there? Yeah. Sweet Cheerio. Limbo.
I still think riding a motorcycle is obscene.
Well, I just been waiting for you, man. I just been here waiting. Some cat tried to take your wheels, and I came on the scene and it cut out. So I climbed in here and keep the home fires burning. But you're back on, so I'll hit the bricks.
Just a minute.
Bye.
I said, wait a minute.
You got your Cheerio, man. I'm going.
Let him go. Come on.
He was trying to steal the car.
I said let him go.
Look, he was trying to steal the car.
You don't know what's bugging him. He's got a bird cage on his foot.
What?
He's all strung out behind H. Dope.
Charlotte, call the police. Tell him he's headed down Beacon Street toward the public gardens. I'll follow him. Come on.
No, I'll sit this one out.
You know, I don't dig you.
You follow him, you will.